Okay, we're starting with question 9. So I have a pool here, all right, that has $4. They sell 8,000 noodles. And if they charge $6, they sell 6,000 noodles. All right, so they first want to know what the equation is. So this is my x, this is my y, this is my x, and this is my y. So this is x1, y1, x2, y2. All right, so I first have to find what the slope is. So that's 8,000 minus, 8,000 minus 6,000, that's 2,000, over 4 minus 6, which is negative 2. So I have 2,000 over negative 2, which is negative 1,000. So that's my slope. That's telling me for every, let me make sure I'm right here. Yeah, for every dollar that they increase the price by, they lose sales by 1,000. All right, so now you have to find what the y-intercept is. So I'm going to plug in negative 1,000 right here. X, okay, is going to be 4. So that's going to be negative 4,000. Y is 8,000. So now I have negative 4,000 plus 8,000 is 12,000. So now I have y equals negative 1,000x plus 12,000. That's my equation. Okay, so now I take 550, plug it into x, okay, and solve, and my answer is 6,500. Okay, question 10. All right, find the domain and range. All right, so my domain is the x values. So negative 7, 7, negative 9. Okay, so negative 7, 7, negative 9. That's my domain. My range are all the y values. 2, negative 2, 2, 8, and negative 8. Okay, and so B is the only one that has the correct x values and the correct y values. Okay, question 10. That was question 10, sorry. Question 11. Okay, they just want you to write the equation. All right, they're giving you the slope. They're giving you the y-intercept. So all you got to do is plug in this for M and this for B. That simple. Okay, question 12. Okay, I have 5 and 7 and 3 and 1. Okay, this is just like this one that we worked on number 2, except instead of them giving us the slope, okay, in this one, okay, all we're given are points. So again, x1, y1, x2, y2. So 1 minus 7 is negative 6. 3 minus 5 is negative 2. Negative 6 over negative 2 is a positive. Hang on, make sure I have that right. 1 minus 7, y2 minus y1, negative 6. 3 minus 5, negative 2. So that's going to be a positive 3. Okay, so now I have y is equal to 3x plus b. So now I got to plug in my point. X is 5, okay, goes right to the, on the other side of, goes to the other side of the slope. Okay, so 3 times 5 is 15. Y is 7. Okay, so I'm going to take, something's not right here, because I have, so that should be positive 3. I'm sorry, I'm seeing something that I'm not sure is correct. Y equals 3x plus b. Okay, I'm just working this out real quick to make sure. 3 times 5 plus b, okay, equals 7. 7 equals 15 plus b, subtract 15, subtract 15. Now I have negative 8. Okay, so y equals 3x minus 8, subtract 3x. Okay. All right. Okay, 3x plus y equals negative 8. Okay, I see what they did. All right, I'm going to send you a picture of this one, okay, so that you kind of understand it. This is question 12, okay. All right, so now what I did at the very bottom is that once I had y equals 3x minus 8, I subtracted 3x. They obviously wanted the x positive, so they divided everything by -1 and came up with your answer right there. Okay, question 13. All right, determine if the given relation is also a function. All right, x repeats. Okay, if x doesn't repeat, then it's a function. All right, but x repeats. So since x repeats, do they have the same answer? And they do not, so it is not a function. Okay, 14. All right, use the given graph to answer the following question. Is the graph a function? And again, if I have a part, like right here where x is 5, okay, do you see that I have two answers? Okay, so since I have two answers, it is not a function. I hope this helps, and